Hey, let me show you how you can speed up your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So first of all, we are gonna open the settings, and first of all, you have to check for the battery settings. And when you are going here, when you go for the power saving mode, just make sure that you are not using it because it limits your CPU speed to 70%. Now let's scroll all the way down, go into the About phone. Right now open software information and quickly keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer options. Then go back to the main settings page and open developer options. And now we are looking for Windows Transition and Animator Scale. You can find it in the drawing. So there's the bar, you have to scroll almost all the way down. Go for it and select 0.5. Now everything will open and close faster. Now you have to go back into the display settings because right now we are gonna enable 120 Hz refresh rate by going into the motion smoothness and select adaptive one. So now take a look how great it works. Everything close, scroll and open much faster. Right now go into the device care, open memory, and make sure that sometimes you will gonna close all of those apps that run in the background because it just simply slow down your phone. Now go for the RAM plus and make sure that you are gonna enable that you are gonna put 6 GB. You will have to restart your phone. Now when you go back from this one, go for the app protection and simply scan your phone for some malware and other suspicious activities. If there's like any virus on your phone, it can actually slow down your phone significantly. So make sure that you are gonna take it off by using this app protection. Then after you finish, go back and we have to go for auto optimization. So what it does, basically it automatically restarts your phone and optimize your storage. So you can turn it on the schedule or for example when needed, so phone will automatically select the time. Also we have to remember about software updates. So if you are running on the old software, it may slow down your phone. So check for updates. If there's new update, just get it on your phone. And also you have to take care of your internal storage because if you have like 80 or even 90% storage used, it will also slow down your phone. So what you can do here, you can delete duplicated files, large files, you can empty recycle bin, or for example you can uninstall unused apps. For me, I'm just using all of my applications, but if you have some old, just remove them. And also another tip, go to the applications, and now if there's like any application that often open in the background, you have to just select this application. Let's say that it will be for example the calendar, go for battery settings, and select restricted. But also you can do this for internet, so you don't allow background data usage. So applications will no longer connect into the mobile data and slow down your phone. If you are playing some games, then definitely you would be satisfied with the advanced features by going into the game booster settings. So you can simply force applications to run in the 120 Hz refresh rate, and you can even use bypass charging to don't overheat your phone, what will actually cause the performance drop. Thank you for watching.